Hey everybody, it is me, Mr. Odom, your math teacher, and today we're going to look at just one problem from section 1.1, and it's number 31. It's an important problem. You'll see problems like this on your test, so hopefully you will be very comfortable in solving problems like this. The learning target for this video is at the end, hopefully you can say, I can order integers in absolute values from least to greatest, or another way you can say that is from smallest to largest. So I have this problem here, and I have to order these values from the smallest number or the smallest value to the largest value. All right, and I know we've played with absolute values before, and I've put absolute values on a number line. So I know the first thing I need to do with my absolute value is figure out what is the absolute value of -6. How far is -6 from 0? What's that distance? Well, it's 6 units. What about the absolute value of 5? I know that's asking me to figure out how far away is 5 from 0. So this distance is 5. So really, the values that I want to try to order, now they all look kind of the same. There's no absolute values. I can put -6, -7, 8, 5, and -6 all on this number line. So let's do that. So here's 0. And let's see, negative numbers. I see -7. I see -6. So let me go -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So -7 will be here. -6 is here. So there's two of my values right there. And then what else do I have? The rest of the numbers are positive, and I have 5 right here. I have 6 right here, and I have 8. So let's put these numbers on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is going to be all the way out here on my number line. And 5, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is right here on my number line. And 6 is right here. Okay. So the thing to do and the thing to remember is that these are the values that I started with. So these are the values that I need to order from least to greatest. So -7, I see that here on my list. So I'm going to put that down. -6, I see that on my list. So I'm going to write that one down. All right, so that takes care of those two. The next value would be 5. And where do I see 5? Right here. But that's really the absolute value of 5. So I'm going to write the absolute value of 5. Okay, 6 is next. That was right here. And 6 is representing the absolute value of -6. Okay, and then last but not least is 8, which was already on our list. So I listed here these values. So here is the answer. What students tend to do is they will take these values right here and they will just put their answer down as -7, -6, 5, 6, and 8. They'll put a box around it. They'll put a happy face next to it, and they'll call it good, exclamation points, stuff like that. Well, this is not the list of numbers and the list of values we started with. So whatever you start with, the values you start with are the values that you want to have in your answer. Okay, so you'll get some practice with this, and hopefully that was helpful. If not, watch it again. You get to hear this wonderful voice again. Your lucky day. All right, that's all I got for today. Hopefully that was helpful. If you need more help, send me an email, meet me in Zoom, meet me in the class before or after school, and we can work on some of these problems. All right. I hope you have a good day. I'm going to try to have a good day too. I'm out.